Here we are on the campground at Monkey Mine. That's our tent right there. The wind has dropped quite dramatically, as you can tell. Well, you can't really because you couldn't see it before, but it was quite nasty. The tent was flapping around. And this way towards the ocean. Some big boats here, as you can see. This place is renowned for its fishing, although we didn't catch anything. It's a big caravan park. It's got 500 bays or so. It seems mainly suited for the caravan people rather than camping as we are. It goes right down to the end there. It extends about another 200 metres past that again. For us, down to the reception area is about 3/4 of a kilometre walk. This is the track down to the beach. And that's the beach expanse there. This is Shark Bay. And you can see the wind. It's just picking up again now. That's the telephone transmission tower in the background. We're about 26 k's from the nearest town here. One road in, one road out. It's actually managed by the RHC of WA, this place, on behalf of the government. It was private owned land originally. And they've just redeveloped it. It needs a bit more because there's not much shelter from the wind. So there are toilet blocks everywhere, as you can see. These are the ensuite units like we have. There's further down there there's camp kitchens, laundries and so on. Now you can see how much wind there is. Overnight the tent was flapping around and we had to put the pegs back in quite a few times. You can see they've come loose again now. But there's just a quick look. Monkey Bay, Monkey Mire.